So that was the living room. And this is the man cave.
Dude, this is a pretty sweet cave you got around here. It'd be nice to show Rachel.
Yeah, well, it is the man cave, so... Anyways, how is Rachel?
She's great. She recently bought Soul.
Shoot, power went out. Give me a second.
No worries. It's probably just a breaker. Or something.
What'd you say?
Oh, I was just saying maybe it was a breaker or something.
No, you said that Rachel recently bought something.
Yeah,
She what?
she bought solar panels from OptionOneSolar
Why did she go and do that?
so she can own her power and save money.
Yeah, well, I rent my power.
Dude, just switch to solar. You'll save so much money, and you don't have to worry about rising utility costs. Dude. Seriously, stop.